Talaga namang napaka-positibo ni Doc Willie Ong sa buhay. Kahit pa na may karamdaman na iniinda nito ay hoping for the best pa rin ang doktor ng bayan. Sa latest post ni Doc Willie Ong ay nagbigay ito ng ilang mga payo para sa kapwa Pilipino. Pinaalalahanan din nito ang mga netizens na huwag gumawa ng masama at maging mabuti na lamang sa kapwa. Ayon kay Doc Willie ay unti-unti nang lumalaki ang tsansa ng kanyang paggaling sa sarcoma cancer. Ang bukol ay lumiit na mula sa 16 na centimeter na ngayon ay 12 centimeter na lamang. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kanyang chemotherapy at gamutan para puksain ang malaking bukol na nagpapahirap sa kanya. Aminado si Doc Willie na tila milagro na lamang ang magpapagaling sa karamdaman niya.
Mark.
Okay lang po, Doc. We can wait. Okay lang po.
Oh, my last year. Thank you, Gemma. Welcome. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah.
So they say, I might live or I might die. They say sarcoma is one of the hardest. Dapat patay na ako last week. If I live one more day, I will give it to the Filipino people. Sabi nga ni Doc Lisa, kubain mo na kami, Lord. Ikuba mo na kami. Wag mo lang patayin si Doc Willie. I love the Filipino people. I want to serve you in any way I can. Oh, Doc, dami mong tip. Nagkasakit naman. Sorry, tama na magawa ko. This is the new Doc Willie. The old Doc Willie, yung duwag, is still there. But the new Doc Willie is more, how do you say it? More vocal, more strong, more angry, more vicious. But he is also kind. Anyway, kung iniisip nyo na may sakit ako, my serum, ito blood test ko, look for proof. Papakita natin. You know what my white blood cell count? White blood cell, 5,000 to 10,000. This is my white blood cell. Look. I need more oxygen. Final words na. Malapit na. Okay. So this is the plan I got. Last night, I was sleeping and I got messages. I will talk about it in the next video. But for the moment, now, you can interview me if you want later on. Pero I will release these videos when I am stronger. Diba? So I can handle your bashing. Because I said before, if you pray for me, I will live. My message is, they say I have a short chance to be alive. So they say, I might live or I might die. They say sarcoma is one of the hardest. I may have 5 rounds of chemotherapy. I finished my first round already. I have to focus last minute to send my message. I love the Filipino people. I want to serve you in any way I can. If we want to improve as Filipinos, we should love each other, be kind to each other, forgive each other, magmahalan. Ngayon, everyday in social media, fighting, fake news, attacking, clickbait. Pati ako, ginamit nyo pa sa fake ads nyo. I will say it. I am not endorsing any product. Why are you not fighting? I am fighting them, but they're just so many. How can you put down all these scammers? I'm not endorsing any product right now. No meds, no nothing. Wala po. Hindi akin yun. They just use my face. Why don't you sue them? I cannot sue them because I cannot sue them because they are anonymous. They are from abroad. Who am I? Nakakainis talaga. It's not mine. It's not my fault. I'm doing everything I can. I don't know if I will still be alive tomorrow. I had sepsis. My BP went low. I don't know if I can still live. Look at my face. Look at how ugly I have become. Look at all the scars. You want to see my bukol? Basta on my last dying breath, I will always say, gusto ko tulungan yung nasa probinsya, yung mga mahihirap, because that is my reason to live. Dapat patay na ako last week. If I live one more day, I will give it to the Filipino people. Sabi nga ni Doc Lisa, kubain mo na kami, Lord. Ikuba mo na kami. Wag mo lang patayin si Doc Willie. Ano acting? Hindi ako aktor. Papakita ko sa iyo mga lab records. Ano acting dito? Maraming basher dyan. Sasabihin, actor daw ako. Gusto ba kamay? Ano ba gagawin ko? Kita nyo katawan ko. Lupay-pay na. Ryan, please get this. Puro kayo fake news. Oh. Gusto nyo tignan dibdib ko? Gumanda-ganda na nga to. Umayos-ayos na nga to. This is the baso. Sira-sira na yung katawag ko. Oh, Dok, dami mong tit. Nagkasakit naman. Sorry, tama na magawa ko. Malalaman ko ba magkaka-cancer ako? Show them my back. Ryan, please hold me. I'm unstable. Show them my back. Can you open it? Point areas where the mask is. Where is T9, T10? Show them. Show them, Doc Lisa. Point it. Use your fingers, Doc Lisa. Where is the mask? Tanggalin mo na ito dalawa, the eyelid. Listen to, tanggalin mo na. Remove ito. Nandito yung buko. Maraming salamat po. Pasensya. Pinakita ko to, baka sabi nila nag-aarte-arte lang ako. Hindi po. I will show you everything. Thank you so much. I hope you are well. I love you all. Thank you very much.